The New Year's hype might be over, but the goal to stay focused and organized is just getting started. If you're looking to streamline your daily grind and actually reclaim your time this year, there's no better partner for that journey than the Galaxy Z Flip7. There have been exactly 6 iterations of the Galaxy Z Flip line, and through the years, Samsung really took the effort to make the best looking foldable phone yet. The Galaxy Z Flip7 may have landed in 2025, but for 2026, it's still the ultimate tool for reclaiming your focus and streamlining your daily grind. Some of its key upgrades are of course the thinner frame, no gap hinge, a less noticeable crease, and apparently a more durable build. When you experience it firsthand, those upgrades actually made a huge difference, leading to the idea of choosing a Samsung Foldable as a daily driver. So in this video, aside from looking at the best features of the Galaxy Z Flip7 has to offer, we're also taking a closer look at how Galaxy AI makes our 2026 routine more efficient, more convenient, and arguably more fun. Plus, we're gonna share some tips on how you can take advantage of some deals and promos for grabbing a new Galaxy smartphone and start your year with an upgrade. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before anything else, let's have a quick recap of the Galaxy Z Flip7's key specs, which will flash on your screen now. The main highlight here is the 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display complemented by a 4.1-inch Super AMOLED cover screen. And notice the hinge here, there's no gap anymore, which is definitely a welcome improvement, striking a slicker look. Not to mention, it features a significantly thinner frame, so that's nice. Besides the visual upgrades, this one also boasts some solid protection. Its back panel as well as the cover screen are covered by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 combined with Armor aluminum frame. This one also gets an IP48 rating for some level of dust and water resistance. So it's pretty safe around the elements like sudden rain or whatnot. Now, the Galaxy Z Flip7 is not just about durability and looks. This thing also gets things done and fast. Using Galaxy AI has been an enjoyable experience. There are lots of tools available here that just make sense. For someone like me who records tons of videos for our content, the audio eraser is great to have. So when editing like YouTube Shorts, for example, it's less of a hassle to enhance the audio. Speaking of video recording, with a foldable like this, you literally have more fun ways to shoot content. You can make it so that you can record a video like a camcorder, and selfies can be taken from the cover screen itself as if you have a built-in tripod. Generative Edit also comes clutch when removing clutter on your image. And you have the freedom to add anything with the sketch to image feature. Writing Assist is very useful for us too. If I ever find myself writing something on the go, I can just use the Writing Assist tool to do some grammar checks for me. Do you travel a lot? Well, the interpreter feature is a good way to start a conversation from someone overseas. The nice thing about this is that on top of the interpreted audio, the interpreted text is also shown on the cover screen. It's pretty neat if you ask me. I also like to point out the convenience that Google Circle to Search brings. I mean, I personally search things out a lot. And whenever I come into something I'm not familiar with, a simple encircle on the screen will do. So that's about it. Those are just some of the AI tools I find really useful with the Galaxy AI on the Galaxy Z Flip7. Now, if you want a Galaxy foldable phone yourself, Samsung is actually running its New Year promo where you can get zero interest installment offers through bank and credit card partners. You may also take advantage of the trade-in offers where you can trade in your old device to get a discount on your new purchase. Not to mention, Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 offers from Smart or Globe also give you an e-voucher worth 8,000 which you can use to purchase other products like wireless earbuds, smartwatch, or tablets available on the Samsung website. And there you have it. At this point of development in smartphones, it's no longer a question of if. It is officially viable to make a flagship Samsung Foldable as your daily driver in 2026. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 proves that the crease is a thing of the past and AI is finally doing the heavy liftings for us. But what about you? Are you convinced enough to get a foldable phone this 2026? Because this feels like Samsung is just getting started and there's definitely more exciting things to come this year. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this video helpful or informative, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel. And hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Follow us on our socials and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!